So I hope you can see the live stream. We will start in a few minutes. So everything is working. So we wait that the live stream is. We start the live stream here. Welcome to my channel. I wait that the channel is filled or other subscriber is coming. We will start here in 2-3 minutes. We will talk today about the inflation and how can I say, make it sense to invest in Bitcoin. Should we invest in Bitcoin if we have the rising of here the Bitcoin, the inflation? So it makes sense to invest now in Bitcoin. We will discuss this today. So I hope. So let's start. Yeah. So today, or a few days ago, you can see in Germany the inflation is rising to 7.9%. Yeah, and for me, is here the question: why the inflation is rising at the moment? Yeah, what is the reason? Yeah, and the reason here is the printing of money, and you can see here this is the Target show. Yeah, in Germany, very popular. They show that we have here 7.9. You can see the rising of the inflation here. Let's look in which area this can go. Yeah, this is the inflation chart of Germany. Yeah, you can see from 1987 to 77, 70, 20, not 70, 2027. And you can see the chart goes from 5% going to the downside, make this formation and so on. But if I look to the chart, then something I notice, yeah, I notice that this chart is manipulated. Yeah. Why is this chart manipulated? You can see they draw here at 2021, 2024, too. The inflation is here 5%. Yeah, and that's not true. You can see with your own eyes the inflation is going to 7.9. So you can see with your own eyes with this information that they lying to us. Yeah, and that is the that thing that they lying here. They lying here, and you can see 2025, 2027. They say to us the inflation will go to 1.9. Yeah, if you not inform yourself, then you believe like a sheep to these people. And that's the sad thing, yeah, because they lie in these charts, the blue line. So the true is, you can see what I draw here. They say here 7.9, and we now reaching here 7.9. This is this area, yeah. From this, we now here, and they show you this, yeah, that the inflation should go here to the downside. Very dangerous chart. They lying to you all the time, and you can see they say the inflation is here at 2023 1.8, but in true you can see nearly 8%. And you can see also here, they say this to us few months ago with their own voice. So we're looking here, and what that means, this is a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation. You can see this, and if you take, how can I say, the measurement, yeah, from 0 to this is 8%, and this is our neckline here. At 8%, we have our neckline, and if we break our neckline, then we will go here to 16, 17, 18, 20% inflation. Yeah, the price or the index, or how can I say, the inflation will go to 20% or more. Yeah, so they take the money from you. This is Germany. Let's look here to US. Yeah, in US we have the same problem. You can see the inflation was here in direction of 0. Yeah, here. And this is in German. He say, okay, there are signs that the inflation will go here to higher. But in true, you can see the chart is also manipulated. The inflation in the US is going to 7.9. Yeah. You can see this chart is very manipulated. This is here 14%. This is here 8%. Do you see something here? You can see if you measure this area from 0 to 4, 6, 8, this area is bigger than this area. Yeah, this chart is manipulated. Yeah, because you can look with your own eyes that this year has a smaller range than this year. Yeah. So if you look to the chart, then you say, okay, this is going to 8%, but this is not so much. Yeah, but in true, is 8% this here. Yeah, you can see the red line is already happened. Yeah, and now we're forming here a triangle. They not tell you this. Yeah, that what you see here. They will never tell you this. Yeah. And you can see we're forming here a triangle. This is a left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. The price, the inflation will go from 8% to, let's count, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18%. So the next step or the next stop is 18%. Yeah. And this is a huge left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation, and we will break this until 22%. Yeah. So we will get here inflation of 22%. Now we're sitting on the 8%, but I think a lot of people who are in very high jobs and how can I say, has more responsibilities, they lying to you. That you're not getting here angry. The price or the inflation will go here to, first we will go here to 16, 17%, and the next is to go here to 22%. Yeah. And that's the point that you have to understand. Yeah, they're lying to you. They're lying very good. Yeah, they say to you the inflation will stay here, but you can see we break here from this. This is also a neckline. This is a neckline. The green line is a neckline. We break here the neckline, and you can see we break the neckline and go very fast to 8%. And if we break here this line, the 12%, we will get here a shock direct to 16, 17%. Yeah, there's also a neckline here. And that is what people not understand. Yeah, they're looking to the chart, especially this chart is very manipulated from the New York Times. Yeah, this is a very manipulated chart. I don't know why they why they make this. I don't know. Yeah, why this is necessary to lie the people, the population. You can see from 0 to 8%. we have a wider range, and if you look from 8 to 12 or 14, we have a small range. So it looks like, okay, it's going to the half. But if you look here, then you understand that we are really in a high level area, and then that the inflation will go to 22%. Now we're looking to Bitcoin. So in my last video, I explained that the price will go here to the downside. Here, exactly what I predict. Please look to the video yesterday. I predict that we will go here to the downside like this. Yeah, you can. If you want, I can open this. If you not believe me, but look to the video yesterday. You will find this here. That I draw this. Yeah, exactly. And now we have a little problem. The problem is we already break the structure. The uptrend is broke. And you can see with your own eyes, the big problem is coming. Yeah, and nobody see this here. This is a problem. Yeah, very big problem for Bitcoin. And maybe the Moon Boys don't tell you this at this time because they have not the knowledge to understand why we make this a retest. In true, this is a inverse left shoulder hat and right shoulder formation, and we could go here nearly in these areas. Yeah, I would say 28,000, 27,000. Then we get this structure, and then we have to look because the structure is or the formation is coming to the end. Yeah, that means we have here not the possibility to go here to the upside. Yeah, one possibility is which we say, okay, we staying here on these levels here and make a sideways movement to this here. Why this makes sense? Because we have here a huge formation. You can see we test this 1, 2, 3, and normally we have to break here out. Yeah, so I would say if we count this as a 4 times, yeah, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th time here, then maybe we could break this here to the upside. But I see really not the possibility here. Yeah. This is in my eyes highly danger. Let me look more inside. You can see we are at the 30 minutes chart. Let me look. Yes, 30 minutes chart. And now we're going to the 1 minute chart. Normally I make this not so much, but this time we need this. So this is our 1 minute chart. The price is going here to the downside. You can see due to these formations that the next step is to go here to these levels. In general, we can say this is not a stable structure. What possible is we could make here a retest of this here. Yeah, I hope you understand this. To break here, but we have then a good resistance. You can see both lines are crossing here. From the timeline, 8th of June, yeah, 13th of June is the Fed meeting. So you can see the banks and others stretch this formation to this level, and maybe they could let the price crash here at these levels, yeah, so that we have here such formations. So let's look here to the chat, what the people say here. Hello from Africa. Okay, how is the weather in Africa? Good, cold, or warm? Yeah, if you want, we can look this Bipro after this live stream. Yeah. So Tektronic is also possible to look. So the question here is, should we invest now at the Bitcoin price due to the inflation? Make it sense to invest now? The question is, in my eyes, how far we can go here to the downside. Now, I would not recommend to invest here in Bitcoin because this is too dangerous. It's no financial advice. I think we have here a good uptrend. Yeah, that is sit here on these levels. Look here. So at 20,000 we have here a good base. Yeah, but even the 20,000 is not safe because this uptrend is not a guarantee. Yeah? If the market is coming down, this will also not hold. Yeah, at 18,000 we will. If this coming really bad to the downside, I expect something like that. So in my eyes, the best investment is at 2023. Yeah, at these levels. I expect here a low price of Bitcoin. Yeah, in these levels. I would say end of 2022, mid of 2023. Such reaction like this, and then I expect here really hard uptrend to these levels. Yeah, so we have enough time to get the Bitcoin price a little bit cheaper than now, in my eyes. Some of the people say, okay, this is the ground. Yeah, now we're staying here at these levels, and we will make here this. In my eyes, this is too early to make this. Yeah, because we are not finished here. We need here the sell-off to start here a new trend. Yeah, so if we start here a trend, in my eyes, this is not finished. We're not yet, or in my eyes, we're not yet finished. Yeah, so we cannot start from this point. I expect here a lower price so that we can start a really good trend. Look here. If you look here, then you understand what I think, or how I think. Look, this is for me a sell-off. The price of Bitcoin is going from 10,000 to 3,000. So personally, if I see this, then I would invest here. Yeah? Or earlier here, I would say at 5,000 because the lowest level you will not um, get. Yeah? So I think in these levels, and for me it's clear if we break here the neckline, then we will reach the 12,000. And the next possibility for me is to invest here at this point because I know, okay, I buy here, sell here. I know, okay, we need here a retest of this. Then I would sell here and buy here at 9,000. Yeah? And then you can see what possible is. Yeah? Like that, we will see the similar movement. What you see here, we will see a similar movement. And you can see this is going from March to nearly end of the year. This we can expect also here that the red line is happening, and after the red line a really good trend will start. Yeah, that means we need here a sell-off. This is no sell-off. This is not a sell-off. This is, in my eyes, the preparation for a sell-off. The sell-off will start here. I think we will get here a really. I make a really this a fat, yeah, so that you can see this. This is in my eyes a sell-off. Look, yeah, you can see left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and we will get this move to the upside to test the 20,000, and the last sell-off is coming here, this year. I wait for this 7,000, 9,000, and then we can start here a really big bull run like this. The price will go here to the sideways. We have to go out of this channel. Yeah, make this, and then really big moves is coming. So I would personally, this is for me, this is my personal opinion. This is too early to get in because we have here, this is the red line is danger. And if you look here more inside, then you understand why we need here this lows and why I think we will go here to the downside. If I look to this formation is not completed. Yeah? And all signs, even the weakness here, show us, okay, something is not getting right here, yeah, or not going very well. The price have to go here to the downside, especially after the Fed meeting. Yeah, the Fed meeting is here at 13th of June, so I would say 10. I observed this 7 days or 10 days after the Fed meeting, really big crashes is coming. So you can see 13 plus plus 10 days, 7 days, then we are at 20th of June. Then we see, I think we will see something like that. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but I think if you see that I predict all the steps very well, then I think makes sense. Yeah. So we're looking here to the chat, what the people say here. So let's look here to, I don't know the short name, tectonic. That's okay. This is now crypto. Is this the right chart? You have to say to me yes or no. If I not found the right chart, please say this to me, then I can change to crypto. But this is, in my eyes, how can I say, a few data. Yeah, that means if you mean this is in my eyes to few data. But general is, if you look here, we have a negative trend. And this is here negative trend. So I would never invest in this. Yeah, I expect a low price. This is my view. Okay, no. So please give me the short name. Then I change to the next. Let's make cover. This is a noun crypto. So we're looking to cover. Also few data. Let's look here to, let's Binance. Okay. Yeah. So if I look to the cover, we have here a negative trend. Especially if you look here, we test this level. So I think we have energy to go here to the downside in direction of 60 cent. Yeah. So highly risk. Yeah. But keep this in your mind. If we're going here to the upside, the next neckline is here at $14. Yeah. So in my eyes, this has potential to the upside, but we have to test here the 60 cent levels here, yeah, to break this. For more, please use the Wealth Performance membership. Then I explain you how we can hit the $14 or if this possible. So we're looking here to this verge. So the verge is in my eyes positive. because the risk to the downside are low. Yeah, so you can see we are at 0.04. We could fall here to 0.01, but the benefit or the performance of Verge is very good, I think, because you can see we will get here this movement to the upside. Why will we will get this? Because you can see a trend to the downside. Yeah. This is a negative channel, and if we once break this level here, this triangle, then we're forming here very good formation. So I think this has potential to the upside and will go very hard to the upside. Yeah. Forget the 10 cent, 15 cent, 20 cent. This crypto will fly. Yeah. Because we have so a good formation. Yeah. So this is very cheap. Yeah. This is one of the cryptos that will fly really hard. Um, I think I take this in my wealth performance. So people who have the wealth performance, they will see here the end target. So I think this crypto has really potential. So we have to analyze this very detailed. And I think it makes sense to look this very detailed in the wealth performance. From the technical point of view, I think that has really hard potential to the upside. So I will analyze this weekend. If you have the wealth performance, then you can see how far we can go here to the upside. So let's look here two more. We need to take this PNB. Okay. In my eyes, this is Binance coin is a gangster coin. These are gangsters. Yeah. You can see the performance is going 50% to the downside. If you want to understand how far we can go, let me look. We have here a negative channel. If you look, so it's not looking nice. Yeah, you can see also we have here a big resistance. So both lines are crossing, and we have now really hard resistance. Yeah, so what possible is we could make here a retest of this area, yeah, and go finally to the downside. Let me look here to this. We have here really hard trend to the upside, but I think if I look to this, then I would expect the price of Binance coin here at $100. So I think the next trend in which we will go here to the downside is $100. But even this is too expensive. If I look to this here, then I would expect, let me look, between $80 and $100 between them here. The price is pending here. We try to break this here, but it is not possible because this year we have a good trend, and that means the trend will change and we will go here to the upside. Yeah. But also here important, if you are a member, then you can see here the end target in the wealth performance. Yeah. If I take this in the wealth performance, for you interesting is this coin is going from $15 to 800. Yeah. The fact is these are Binance is actor, yeah, from this casino. He's the casino owner, and they define how far this coin can go here to the upside. Yeah, And if this coin going to $100, you can see how far from which level this coin is coming. Yeah, and that means in the next bull run, this coin will go really hard like a rocket to the upside. Yeah. I don't think that is Binance coin is going to zero because they have a lot of corporations, yeah, and they are actors, yeah, and they are casino owners. So I think um, if you look to the history, the casino owners go never to zero. So I think if you look here to this formation on this chart, then we could get here really hard to the upside. So if somebody want this analyzed, or if you want that I analyze this for you, then come in the Wealth Exclusive Club, or if I choose this in the Wealth Performance, then you can see the performance, how far we can go here to the upside. So let's look. Let's take here two more. We take QNT. So let's look more inside. What I not like is if you look here to this level, this is the, in my eyes, the important information here. You can see we test this level here one time, nearly a second time, and this is the third time. Yeah. So okay, we have here a downtrend, and important also here, if you look very detailed, then you can see we touch this also here, 1, 2, 3. So the next event will decide in which direction we will go. But if you look here to this formation here, this year, this is highly negative. But we have here a falling wedge. So we could go short term very hard to the upside. Yeah, like this, that the walls manipulate the chart to these levels here. But in the end of the day, we are negative. That means the price will go here to the downside. Yeah. So even if we have the possibilities to go here to $80, that not means that we will go here to the upside. I think then a really big downtrend begins. Yeah. So my target was $30. The $30 is in my eyes right, but if Bitcoin goes really hard to the downside, then I would expect the green tea price at $12. Yeah. But for the future, green tea has really good, really good possibilities to hit here or to touch really hard big prices here to the upside. Yeah. Also here the members now the end target, what possible is. Yeah. One of them is that. So if you want more information, please come in the memberships. So we're looking at what is the request here. So let's look. So Mike Freeman, do you use EXO charts to read volume, delta, open interest? You can see read manipulation live, observing long, short position, trapping traders. I'm honest to you, Mike. These open interests are also manipulated. So the vaults show the people that manipulate this chart or information. Yeah, so that the moon boys see to the open interest and so on. Yeah, forget this. You have to look to the naked chart. Yeah, you have to know how you can read the chart because the charts are not lying. Uh, I observe one thing um, in a crypto exchange. I not mentioned this crypto exchange here now. I go to the minute chart, yeah, and look to the chart and analyze the chart, yeah, like this. Please hear this place very good that you understand how they manipulate it. So, so one day, yeah, this was a Sunday. I looked to the 1 minute chart from a exchange, yeah, like here Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, Binance, or one of them was this, yeah. I looked to the 1 minute chart and then I saw, okay, we're going here, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay. Then I uh, took the phone number on the table, yeah, and 5 minutes later I look again, or 3 minutes later I look again to the chart, yeah. I made exactly these formations here, and after 3 minutes, the chart was manipulated. Yeah, I don't know how they make this, but after that, the chart was looking like this. Yeah, and if the chart looking like this is not the same like this, yeah, a little bit more soft. Yeah, so that the people not recognize which level we test and which level not. So I want not now say here that the crypto exchanges manipulated charts, but something is here going wrong. Yeah? They don't want that you get here the true informations. So this was the experience what I had, and since then I never trust open interest and blah blah and other things. I look to my with my own eyes. So what we have here, UBT. What is this? Unibright. Okay. But we have here no data. Oh, let's look here to Coinbase. Okay, you say this is hot. Let's look if this is really hot. Hmm, you mean this? This in your eyes hot? You have to explain me is or say to me is this the Unibright? What you say to me? I wait for your answer. So in my eyes, this is not hot. Yeah, I explain you why this is not hot. The price is falling from $1 to 0.003. Yeah, because yeah, the Unibright is not in my eyes hot. The reason is the price is falling very hard to the downside. Look, 9 of May, and we have here in 1 month. Yeah, you lose here a lot of money. Yeah, if you invest here 1 million, then you are here at nearly 10,000. Yeah, so this is not a hot crypto because the value of this crypto is going away. Yeah. So then you say to me the right name. I type here Unibright. Let's take this UBT. You mean this? Let's look if this hot or not. Okay. The price is going from $5 to 30 cents. Yeah, right? Okay. Now we have the right chart. So this is a crypto. In my eyes, this is a normal crypto. This is not a hot crypto. If you say, okay, for me it's okay if I invest at 20 cent and the price is going to $4, then this is, in my eyes, a normal crypto. You can see the price is going here to the upside. Then you have here nearly 20 times higher prices. You are lucky, yeah, you are happy. Then you say, okay, I win here a lot of money. Long term, I think this has a potential if the project is not dead. But in my eyes, there are other cryptos they bring for you or give more profit and more gains than I think Unibright. Yeah, but this is in my eyes not a bad project. I would say a normal crypto that has potential to the upside. Yeah. So let's look to this here. This is not a crypto. Oh, so it's not possible to look here. Yeah. Let's take two cryptos, then I would finish. I wait. Do you want Luna? Let's look to Luna. It's a shame what they made with Luna, yeah, to put the Bitcoin price down. Pure manipulation. Yeah, look here. Let's look to the KuCoin. Why am I not seeing this at the KuCoin? So, um, this year, this price is action. My prediction was here. Look, the price was here at levels of $100. Then I said, please look to my videos, in the old videos. I said the price will go here to $20, but nobody watched these videos. Especially the Luna holders, they should subscribe my channel because if they know this information before, then they um, yeah had a good opportunity to save money. Let me look. Let me look if this really the chart. This was in Theta. Let's look in Bitfinex. Okay, we have this. So the prediction is direction of zero. You can see we have here negative trend lines. You can forget also this formation. We have here left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation. We will get here a trend to the upside here a little bit, and then the price will crash. So I expect we have here 9,000. We're going here to 1,000 or 2,000. Yeah, the price will crash here to the downside, but long time. I would say that we have um, maybe the possibility, what I don't believe. I would say we have here really um, zero chance to go out of this triangle. Even if we go here to this outside of this triangle, the formation is break. Yeah, you can see, or broke. Look, you have no possibility to go out of this channel. Maybe if they burn here some coins or tokens, then we will get here something like that. And after this building of this W pattern here, then we have the chance to go here to these levels. And I think you can see it will take time. You know? So Doge can pump today or tomorrow 50%. Why? The Dogecoin is also a dog from Elon Musk. They playing with this. So if you know what will happen with Dogecoin, then you would invest your whole money to Dogecoin. The reason is, it's not financial advice. The reason is you can see we have here the huge triangle. Yeah. And even if the price is going to 0.0002 levels, we have this huge triangle. Yeah. And if the project is not dead or is not going to dead, this Dogecoin will go out of this channel. Yeah. Let's make this in green and this. That means we will leave this, but we have to retest some levels here at these lower levels, yeah. And then the price could go to these levels. The next trend is to break this. And if this is happening, I think then you have not the possibility or other people or the mask to stop the Dogecoin. Yeah, the price will explode to the upside. Also here, if you want the end target, please come in the Valve Exclusive Club or use the other membership. It makes sense. I explain you why this makes sense to get here the membership. For example, look here. Same game here. Let's say we are in 2019. We are staying here at 00019. And you ask me, has Dogecoin potential to the upside or not? Yeah. Then it's really easy to find out this. Yeah, we have here a huge formation like a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. We have here testing of some levels. Yeah, and the next logical step is to break out here. Yeah, and for me was at these levels clear that the price is going here to the upside, and you can see how far we can go here to the upside. Look, 10 times higher. After 10 times higher, the price is going here from 0.006 to 80 cent. Yeah. And we will get also a very, very quick move up from these levels. Yeah. Imagine we are at 0.008. This is coming from 0.0001. Yeah. And this is not going again back to 0.001. We're staying in a stable area, even if the price is going here to the downside. Even if we go here to these levels again to 0.002 or 0.001, this is a gift for you. But you have to know, you have to decide, yeah, not we, not another person. For me, is my personal opinion. This is aggressive hot, yeah. You have to, or you can choose the membership to show how far we can go here to the upside. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, if you're thinking big about the Dogecoin and say, okay, if I can buy this at 0.002, let's make a example. We're buying here at 0.002. Let's look which money we can invest. 0.002 if you buy here 100,000 pieces, these are $2,000. Let's say you invest $10,000 and buy this at 002. You have 500,000 pieces. 500,000 pieces here. Yeah. Let's say the price of Dogecoin goes to 40 cent. 500,000, 40 cent. These are $200,000. $200,000. Yeah. But this is not the end target. This is not the end target. If you know the end target, you would get crazy. Yeah. And that's the point. If you look forward and say, okay, what makes sense? Makes sense to get this information or not. So there's no financial advice. You decide what you make, but in my eyes, this is one of the hottest stock that I saw. So we're looking here to two more, and then we finish. We're looking to XTC. Tezos. Okay. I'm honest to you. I not like this. I explain you this is why. Look, I think they are also owner of BTT. Look what happens with BTT. They lying to this to the people. Yeah? They're lying the people. Look, do you see this? Yeah. They make here. How can I say? Like printing money. Yeah. They raise the amount of coins and tokens and blah blah. Yeah, and you can see the value of this is going to the downside. And at this time, the exchanges froze the exchange, yeah, with BTT and USD. And that's also a point where many of the people or lose in the past very big money. So in my eyes, yes, this has potential to the upside, but um, this is really hard manipulated. So let's say if the project is not dead, then I see here uptrend, yeah. But I would not recommend this, yeah. I know this has, if the project is not dead, yeah, a potential to the upside, yes. But I not like how they handle this, yeah, the exchanges and BTT that we get here in the past 1 week, 2 weeks now a response or answer from this. Yeah. Let's look to Tezos. Tezos is also owner of this. So we're looking here. Let's look to this. So yes, I would not recommend this because the price is going from $2 areas to $10 areas. If you say, okay, I buy Tezos and hope that the price is going to $10, I'm honest to you. Do you really want here $8 gain profit? In other cryptos, you invest at $1 and you get here 60, 80, or $200. Yeah, there are other cryptos, they are really hot. I will also make 20 or 30 hot cryptos and will this how can I say is you can get this in the Wolf Exclusive Club, yeah, and these hot 30 cryptos there you can see really the end target what will happen, yeah. So in my eyes, I would never invest in Tezos. This is in my eyes losing of time, yeah. Of course, the price will go here in this levels in the bull market here at 13. If you say, okay, I want only $10 gain, then you can buy this. But for me, this is a loser. This is a loser crypto. I would never invest my money here. but there's no financial advice. You decide. Yeah. So you're right. We will take entry at 10,000. Uh, Give me a one or two coins, and then we could finish if you want. I saw Matic. The Matic holder. They not believe me. Yeah, what you can see what happens with Matic. At these levels, at $2 levels, I said we will go here to the downside. They laughing to me. Yeah, I said to them we will go here to 20 cent. Please open, type here in my channel Matic, and then you can see what I predict. I said to them we will go here to 20 cent, and you can see we are reaching here 60 cent, and this will go more to the downside. Let me look. We have here. So what we have here. So, oh, not good. Oh, not nice. Look, we break this to the downside. Really not recommended. Yeah, so um, it's time to go here to the downside. I would say we have here 76. I see here this at 10 cent or something like that. We will see this. After that, the price will go really hard to the upside. Let me look here first. Also here, Matic, if you know how far we can go at Matic, you will get crazy. Yeah, because how can I say, the information here is we're not talking about here $3. $3 is peanuts. If this going to 10 cent, and if I tell you this $3 is peanuts, then you have to think what happens. In my eyes, I see Matic like this. This is in my eyes also a hot crypto. Look, the price was here at 001 and goes at $3. Yeah, and this 001, let's make this here in blue. This blue area is the same like that. Rather, this blue line is the same like this. So now understand what I want to explain you this, yeah? So this point is exactly this point. This is peanuts. This was also peanuts. And you can see how far we're going here to the upside. And you can see what happens here if we break this structure at $3. You will not stop here. Matic. If you want here the end target, please come in the Wolf Performance and say to me, okay, take this in the Wolf Performance, then I can make this. Or come in the Wolf Exclusive Club and you get here the exclusive target, how far we can go here to the upside. And imagine here, there's no financial advice. I say only what I think. Imagine you buy here at 10 cent, and this going very crazy to the upside, and yeah, that is really big money. So, but no financial advice. You decide with your own knowledge. I would say I finish. Have a nice day. And I would say if you have questions, you can request in the Wolf Profile or other live streams. Yeah, I'm maybe tomorrow online. I will make this video or this video analyze private, and I would make this tomorrow public. Yeah, I have to adjust and prepare on this video analyze something. Yeah, so please, this video will go private. but I will make this tomorrow online, yeah, so that you can see and look to the video, yeah. Yeah. And one info also, please click the bell button, because some of you not getting the notification. Yeah, if you click to the bell button, then you get the notification tomorrow. We will look to this crypto also, or Bitcoin tomorrow, and all the predictions is coming true from my side. And if I look to the Bitcoin price here, I have not so good feeling. Yeah, so these predictions is coming true, and now you can see the price is going to the downside. We're sitting here on this corner and make a retest, and you can forget really this formation. The next move is to the downside. Yeah. So I would say have a nice day. Thank you for all the watching. Please share the video so that we reach the 15,000 subscribers, and maybe I will start at a Twitter um, announcement. Yeah, I would say that if somebody retweet the video at Twitter, then this person should get a free analyze of their wish crypto. Yeah, so that the channel can grow. Yeah? If I say in Twitter, not yet, but I will tell you this, then everybody can make a Twitter account, and the people who share the video or retweet the video, then these people get from my side a free analyze. Yeah. So I think makes sense. Yeah. Also good for you, also good for me. The channel can grow. Thank you. Have a nice day and good evening.